our Lord of Transan, the Aje and the Imodo Yorubaland, that is President Yoruba Council of it worldwide. We are here today to celebrate the Aje Festival. Aje is a deity and heritage of wealth that brings about peace, that brings about good tidings, prosperity, and goodwill and riches from God Almighty. So what we are here to do is to give thanks to God, to come here and appreciate God for that divine prosperity that has been provided to all mankind. Because Aje is not restricted to Ile Ife alone, it's a global heritage. And we believe coming here today, ABC has been able to provide us that template, that environment to celebrate the festival in grand style. And it's most important for us to appreciate Princess Toyin Kolade for also giving us that ample opportunity to celebrate today. A lot has been invested into the celebration, and it is worthwhile because it has bring about home tourist attraction from all over the world. We have great elders of Yorubaland, the leaders of various captains of industry are all here. So that's the essence of Aje. Aje is a means to appreciate God Almighty, and we have all come here to thank God for providing us with that prosperity. Thank you very much. Yes, as part of what the Yorubaland needs to come together, it's high time we embrace the Shopon. That's what the Yoruba Council of Youth has been able to put up together ahead of 1st of May 2020. Come to Ile Ife, we shall be celebrating the World Omoluabi Day. We are here today as a means to create that ground reception ahead of the World Omoluabi Day with the Yoruba Council of Youth, the Yoruba Council of Women, and Igbimo Yorubaland have been able to put together in conjunction with the Omoluabi Association of Netherlands. They have all embraced to celebrate this year's edition of the World Omoluabi Day. And we are using this opportunity to invite all sons and daughters of Yorubaland, all great icons, all leading leaders, all royal fathers, all political leaders, all stakeholders, youth, market women, to come en masse to the forthcoming World Omoluabi Day. We all know Omoluabi is a celebration of our identity, of our culture and tradition, of respect, of prestige, which Yoruba are renowned for. Yoruba are renowned for being Omoluabi. That's where our integrity lies. That's what imbibes us and imbues us as a brand in the entire global world. And the whole world has Christian and recognize our identity as Omoluabi, and that's what we shall be celebrating on 1st of May 2020. We shall be celebrating the World Omoluabi Day, and this year's edition will be added with a lot of finance, with a lot of innovation. This year we are bringing the Ewa Omoluabi Beauty Pageant. We are going to celebrate culture, integrity, and the Omoluabi character in our womanhood. This is another calling to all women who believe that they have that virtue, they have that character. They should go on our website www.yorubacouncilofyouth.org www.yorubacouncilofyouth.org. You download the form, you get registered as a member of Yoruba Council of Youth, you get registered there. Also, this year's edition will also have the Omoluabi Football Championship. This is to bring together all the Yoruba states that we have in Nigeria, from Lagos to Ondo to Oyo, Ekiti, Ondo to Osun. And also, in addition, we are bringing in the Edo, which are also part. We have paternal connectivity with Edo and Delta, the Shekiri people. We also have our people in Kogi State. We have our people in Kwara, and we have the diaspora. These are going to be. It is going to be a knockout team play, and these are areas that we are planning to look inwardly to ensure that we build a robust program for this year's edition. We have tagged Ishoko Omoluabi. We hope to also unveil a ìgbìmọ̀ àpapọ̀ Yorùbá lágbàáyé. We hope to bring on board, that is the Yoruba Council of Women Worldwide, in order to bring all Yorubas together. Once we have the youth, we have the women, and we have the elders, we have the complete nation. And that is why the essence of what we are doing is to revere Ile Ife as our source, as our home, and we shall be doing a whole lot in this regard this year. Come on, come on, come on. I'm inviting you as the President Yoruba Council of Youth Worldwide to this highly referred program, the World Omoluabi Day 2020, Tag Ìṣọ̀kan Omoluabi, 1st of May at Ile Ife, starting by 11 a.m. from. We will be expecting you. We shall all meet here by God's grace. Thank you and God bless.
Oh, did you know?